So this is what I came up with to grease a CV joint. This particular one's a 930 CV. So what I did is I taped the mounting holes and the spline holes on both sides. And what you want to do with this is set it up on some kind of a device to allow the grease to go through. So what I came up with was, this is a piece of 4-inch ABS and 3-inch cap, a 3-inch ABS cap. And what I did was I put I put a little masking tape on here to help seal it a little bit, and it fit inside this 4-inch ABS pretty well. I elaborated a little bit more and put another cap on there. You don't have to, you can just use a 4-inch ABS and a cap, and basically what this is going to do is it's going to create a chamber that you can put the grease in. So what I did is I took the grease gun, I took the top off, so I'm just using that to just push the grease, so it's going to come out, because it takes quite a bit to do this. So I want to do some grease. Take this, and we're going to put that on top of this to get it kind of primed. I'm going to take a little bit more. I'm going to load up this this ABS device that I created. Push that down a little bit. And you can take this whole thing, put it on top of the CV, and the grease kind of helps it seal. So I mean, it's the grease is in there on top of the CV. So now what needs to be done here is you need to be able to push down on the top part. If the grease is warm, it will go through a little bit easier. I'm going to speed up the process by putting a bottle jack on top of this. And this is going to help force that grease through the CV a little bit quicker. You can hold it and just push down on it with some steady pressure. This seems to make it go a little bit quicker. So what we're trying to do here is just push the grease through the CV with no air bubbles. So when we're done, it's going to come out, and the grease is on this side. Putty knife, just kind of move it around. So when we're all done with it, it's going to slide off. And when you take the tape off, the holes are all exposed, the splines is all exposed, and this thing is completely packed with grease. It's a minimal mess, is what I really wanted to try and come up with, something that we didn't have to basically force the grease in with your hands and everything. So that's what I came up with. It slides off. A putty knife, and there you have it.